Everyone knows the img tag, but there are actually 5 simple ways to add an image to your web page. Let's go through them. Let's start with the most basic and common way to add an image. The img tag, you simply write img and give it a src attribute which points to the image file and an alt text for accessibility. The second method is using a background image in CSS. Here I've created a div with the class AI and I give it a width and height and display the image with URL. With this background size cover and background position center, the image scales nicely and stays centered on all screen size. This method is perfect for hero sections or decorative backgrounds where the image isn't part of the content itself. Now, let's make our images responsive with the picture tag. This tag lets us serve different images based on the user's screen size. For larger screens, we'll load PicPNG with min width, and for smaller devices, PicPNG with max width. If none of the conditions match, the default img will load. This is super useful for improving performance and keeping your img sharp on all devices. SVGs are vector graphics that scales perfectly without losing quality. Instead of loading an image file, you can write the SVG code directly inside your HTML. Here I create a simple circle and it stays crisp and sharp, no matter the screen size. This is great for logos, icons, or geometric designs. The last and less common method is using the object tag. It's similar to img tag, but you can embed external files, even interactive SVGs or mini HTML snippets. However, this method is rarely used today because it can affect performance and accessibility. So there you have it, 5 different ways to add images in HTML and CSS. The img tag for regular pictures, background image for design elements, picture tag for responsive layouts, SVGs for graphics, and object tag for embedded files. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more web dev tips.